Welcome to another edition of English Makes No Sense. Today we're going to take a look at a very confusing word. It's often confused because it could be two words also. What? Let me show you. But first, if you like what you see, hit subscribe. If you're returning, welcome. If you're new, hey, check out all the videos. Let's get going. The word we're looking at today is ahead. A-H-E-A-D. I have a head, you have a head, but it's not that head. Ahead is one word, A-H-E-A-D. It's an adverb. That's the part of speech it is. Ahead has three different uses and meanings. What? Yeah, come on. Ahead, further forward in space, in the line of your motion. For example, look out, up ahead. You're driving. Oh, what is that? Up ahead. It's over there in your forward motion. Got it? Then we have ahead in the future. Looking ahead to next week, looking ahead to next year, looking ahead to tomorrow means we're looking forward into the future. You can say that. You say, I'm looking ahead to next summer and I think we'll have more time. Got it? Then we have ahead in the lead. What? Yeah, in the lead. For example, in sports, my team was ahead by 10 points and then they lost. Got it? To be in the lead. Is your team ahead? Yes, my team is ahead by 10 points. Got it? Now, ahead, one word, A-H-E-A-D, has three different meanings. Further forward in space, in the line of your motion, look out up ahead. Got it? Looking to the future, in the future, looking ahead to tomorrow, we're going to have extra time at the end of the day. Or ahead meaning in the lead. Our team was ahead and then they lost. Why are there three different meanings for one little word with two syllables? I don't know, but now you can read and understand this sentence. I hope. Looking ahead, the next time my team is ahead, I need to stop watching. It hurts my head. What? Come on, English. That's a lot of heads. Let's look ahead to next week or the next time, and we'll see you here. Peace, friends.